saying was, I don't know if anyone knows about the TPR podcast, but it's a podcast that I run. And we thought we would do a video series with all our listeners, and if not all our listeners, then people we may know around the world, aajkal ke halat mein with the coronavirus thing. So thank you for coming. In whatever order, all right, in order of time zone, starting from Malaysia going to New Zealand, how about you guys tell me your name and where you are? So it's Malaysia, Australia, New Zealand. Anam.
Okay, I think it starts
Yeah.
from here.
That's you. Yep.
Yeah. Okay. Name is Ahmad. So I'm here in Petaling Jaya in Malaysia. It's close to Kuala Lumpur. It's on the border of Kuala Lumpur. So yeah.
And I'm Farwa. We basically live in the same house. So,
All
So
right.
yeah, same location. Just to clear.
yeah.
Okay, and I'm assuming you two are friends.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. All right. Australia.
Yes, so this is Bakir, and
Rida,
we are in Melbourne.
Melbourne,
You're
Australia.
Okay. And Anam.
And I'm here and I'm in Auckland, New Zealand.
Very good. So the first question I ask people, we'll go in the same order now for all the questions. The first question that we ask people is, what is your particular circumstance in the sense that are you working from home? How long have you been working from home? And yeah, that's it for now.
Okay, so yes, I am working from home. Or the lockdown in Malaysia started on 18th March, so it's 11 days working
Yeah.
from home. So it's just with my laptop on my bed and just सुबह उठते ही बस laptop उठाया,
Okay.
कर दिया काम. Yeah,
And what is the situation in Malaysia overall? Has the lockdown been going on for everyone for 11 days? या कुछ लोगों के लिए पहले शुरू हो गया था?
नहीं.
In terms of lockdown, like when it started, it wasn't that bad. So we were able to go out and shop and everything. Malls वगैरह पहले बंद हो गए थे and
Schools बंद हो
schools
गए थे.
वगैरह.
So
But
अभी
hospitals were open, pharmacies
hospitals,
and
pharmacies, grocery stores,
groceries.
these are open. Um, delivery, online delivery, food delivery is open, so वो मिल जाता है. उसके अलावा everything is closed. Banks are open. So it was initially
lockdown.
15-day lockdown till 31st March, and now recently they've extended to 14th
14th
April.
April.
14th April. Okay. Guys in Australia, what is your situation in terms of lockdowns and timings and all that?
It's not so bad here. They've advised us to be socially distant, and last Sunday के बाद से काफी सारी चीजें बंद कर दी हैं. Grocery stores are still open. Malls are actually still open as well. So are schools. But majority of the parents are not sending their kids to school. Shopping malls generally, retailers are now starting to close down because the footfall had really dropped. लेकिन चीजें खुली भी हैं. It's not like what they've done is there are no public gatherings happening. Beaches are closed. The advice is not to go to playgrounds and parks, but generally we can step out to buy groceries. So and majority of the people are working from home, but it's not
Okay.
like everything is locked down. Yeah.
I guess the
Okay.
logic behind that is they just want to slow the spread.
Yeah.
Sorry, we were just arguing about this in the morning, actually. That's why.
we were arguing about what the government should do. So Bakir
Okay.
and I have very different opinions on it,
Yeah.
Okay.
which is why Bakir is laughing now.
All right. We'll come to that in question two. Anam, what is your situation?
My company shut down their offices about a week ago. Well, it's actually been 2 weeks now. But they announced a level 4 from the 26th of March.
What's a level 4?
Here, level 4 is basically when only your essential businesses will stay open because they had 2 cases of community transmission, and that's when they made the decision that okay, the number's gonna start going up, so it's time for everybody to just sit at home. So effectively, all the only thing that's basically open is petrol stations and hospitals and supermarkets. They've shut down most of the dairies as well here. And I think there's a bit of an argument going around whether butcheries is an essential business or a non-essential business. But unfortunately, people are still going to the beach. Yesterday, they did a crackdown here. They told everybody to go home. And people will be like, oh no, we're just exercising at the beach. And once the police goes away, they go back to their, tanning themselves or whatever. So yeah, in that sense, not like the government is trying everything, but I don't know if like the people are, following social distancing.
So, just to give a sense of time, so we're recording this on the 28th of March. Um, what I do is I mention the date because what the plan is, one of the plans with this video series is that abhi to shuru ke din hai, for most places. Whenever this is over, is it hopefully 1 month, 2 months, 6 months, 18 months? We'll come back and we'll talk to all the people we spoke to now and sort of get like a retrospective reaction. So, question number two is how are you guys handling this work from home lockdown situation? Just for some context, we asked people what they're doing, and they're like, most couples have never spent so much time together as part of their normal lives. So that's been interesting for everyone. And also, people talk about how they have, certain ways of keeping themselves from going insane, just being at home all the time, much more than, just you don't go anywhere. So your life is now all the weekends and the weekdays and everything is just one stretch of time. So, in the same order, how has this lockdown or semi-lockdown been for each of you on a personal level?
It's been yeah, I think from work from home perspective, I think एक जो issue है वो ये है कि it's been like work never stops because it's like a काम फिर मूवी देख ली फिर काम फिर खाना खा लिया फिर काम it's like सारा दिन ही काम चलता है so it's not like your normal okay ठीक है अब मैंने अपना लैपटॉप बंद कर दिया अब मेरा काम खत्म हुआ so that's something I think yeah personally मुझ में इतना discipline नहीं है कि मैं ये work from home बिल्कुल 9
Right.
से 7 बजे वाला कर सकूं so
What industry are you in?
financial advisory.
Okay.
He's in Deloitte.
Okay. Thanks, Anam.
No worries.
Anam is an EY.
Yeah. Okay. Haji, continue.
हाँ तो उस हिसाब से थोड़ा सा डिफिकल्ट हो रहा है तो वो जो वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस की चीज़ होती थी वो थोड़ी सी अजीब हो गई है because I was expecting कि during the lockdown it would be more less towards work but I guess that's not the case कि
Okay.
क्योंकि आप बंद हैं और आपको काम करना होता है और वो काम उस तरीके से उतना एफिशिएंटली नहीं होता जितना आप ऑफिस में कर सकते हो तो फिर उस हिसाब से थोड़ा सा मुश्किल है ये
And do you have a lot of like meetings or calls वगैरह हो रही हैं सारे दिन?
यप तो वो बस कॉन्फ्रेंस कॉल्स होती रहती हैं उसी पे चल रहा है सारा बिजनेस मीटिंग्स टीम मीटिंग्स
So which of you moves around when there's a call? Or are you both in the same room? Or या तुम लैपटॉप लिए इधर से उधर?
मैं तब ये इधर से उधर जा रहा होता है
अच्छा.
देखना होता
Okay.
है कौन सा रूम खाली है
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
Yeah, I mean, it's getting a little too much, actually.
Yes. यही होता है हर इंटरव्यू में यही आ रहा है.
Because it's quite boring if you can't go out or do anything. So I try to keep myself busy while cleaning or doing stuff. So एक दो दफा ऐसा हो चुका है कि he was on call and I started the vacuum or
Yeah.
like stuff like that. So मसले हो रहे हैं.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, we have calls too in our office and लोगों के पीछे से बच्चे चीख रहे हैं और stuff's happening. Someone had a video call तो like a pet shows up. चल बिल्ली ने छलांग मार के वीडियो में आ गई. That sort of stuff. All right, how about you guys?
I think it's exactly the opposite for us. I was in the army before, so I'm actually quite enjoying the crisis situation. Not enjoying it, but like
बहुत अच्छा
forging
हुआ.
me, like I have newfound energy in me that oh my god, something's happening. I have to do something about it. I'm actually quite enjoying the time at home, but I'm pretty sure Rida is not. We work for the same company and we're actually on the same level as well, and we have a daughter. And sometimes we take the daughter along as well, so everyone in the office knows her as well. If you're doing a WebEx meeting or something, so like everybody knows. So itna koi iska to mein issue nahi hai. Lekin haan Rida,
I don't like being home a lot. Like I have that even if it's just to go get groceries, I need to get out of the house at least once a day. I hate being at home. There are two people in my home who are really enjoying it. My daughter and my Bakar. They're really enjoying it. They're loving it. They're so happy these days. You can see it on their faces. It's just really weird.
And
but
what
for
industry
me,
are you guys in?
Sorry.
What industry are you guys in?
I am in finance and Bakar's in. So we're both in retail. So I'm in
I'm in
retail.
merchant
and
she's in finance.
And Bakar's on the
Okay.
merchant.
Acha, acha.
So
Haan ji, continue.
with us, because retail is still open, stores are still open. They've only just started to shut down. We were actually going to work up until this week. So at our workplace, they kind of rostered people. They were like, half the office is going to come in on one day and half is going to come in on the other day. So try to reduce people and increase the distance between them. It's only since Thursday that they told us, they asked us to stay at home if we want to. So it's still optional for us. It's not like the office is closed down. We can still go in if we want to. So I was going to work every other day, which kind of kept me sane. But now for the next, I don't know how long I'm going to be home. So I'm not sure I'm going to feel about that.
We actually had to get up today because Rida was losing it absolutely.
Is there a timeline given by the government कि ये वाला कब तक चलेगा lockdown? Or
No,
nothing yet?
We're thinking there are going to be more restrictions imposed this weekend. Like they haven't done everything they want to do yet.
How about you, Anam?
I love it because I can just come online and go back to sleep when I don't have any work.
Let's hope no one from your office watches this.
No, I'm working very hard. But other than that, the only bad thing about it, in my opinion, is that for some reason, our company is extremely worried that people will lose their minds while they're at home. So they're constantly coming up with these new ideas and they're like, oh, we should do like virtual catch-ups. So then you're forced to have a video conferencing with 4 people from your team, which is, I mean, I wouldn't talk to them normally if I was at work. So in that case, it really makes me miss that. I wish we were all back in office so I could just, easily ignore everyone.
Right.
Yeah. So it's like a lot
So
of
this is
pressure.
like what is it? It's like a checkup thing. Okay, how's everyone doing? That sort of thing.
Kind of, yeah. They're like, we should stay in touch. Everybody should stay in touch. So they made this, like, they divided the team into groups of 4, and every 2 days there's a 4-person call, and you just chat about like whatever you want to for half an hour.
Okay.
So yeah.
And you live with other people. You have housemates.
Yes.
How
yeah,
are
I do.
they handling it?
So I started work from home before they did, and then they started it once it got implemented everywhere. One of them left to her boyfriend lives in another city, so she just flew out there to him, which was great. And then there are 2 more. So yeah, we've kind of made like a makeshift office in our garage. So
Okay.
it's kind of like we just coordinate during the day. If somebody has a call, then the other person will move to the garage, or kind of
And
work
are you
around.
guys both like staying at home and full wo social distancing chal rahi hai ya like
Yeah, no, we have been at home. I tend to go out at night for a walk
Okay.
when I know there won't be many people around,
Okay.
just to get some fresh air, not exercise.
Okay.
Oh yes, that's another thing that my company has done is they've started online classes for like yoga and Pilates and different things, and they're like, you can come online and join them. I've never tried it myself, but I'm sure they're great.
Okay. So that's the 2 questions we have, and then the last question is, I'll give a bit of a background. I'm in Ireland, and Ireland, my situation ye hai कि I have now been working from home. This is now the end of the 3rd week that I've been working from home, and we have our quote unquote lockdown extended till the 19th of April. So the last question is, now Malaysia seems to be on par with the rest of the world in terms of limitations. Australia and New Zealand, based on what everyone has said so far, Pakistan not included, it still seems a bit relaxed, tum logon ki taraf, so as compared to the rest of the world. But in the same order, if this goes on, firstly, how long are you hoping this goes on? I mean, obviously, everyone's hoping this is over tomorrow, but it might go on for 2 weeks. It might go on for 4 months. Um, what's your outlook in terms of how your work is going and how the city is taking it in terms of, how serious everyone is? What is your outlook with regards to how this will all continue? मतलब कैसे हालात होंगे by the time all this is over? This is where the reaction video from the future comes in. कि अभी everyone's like, हाँ bro, बस 2 महीने में सब सही हो जाएगा and we'll be fine. And then 2 years later, कुछ पता नहीं क्या हुआ था. So yeah, we'll start with Malaysia. How do you guys think? How long do you think it's going to go on? How do you think everyone's going to fare in all of this in your location?
Because we were hoping कि इस month के end तक खत्म हो जाए सब, but then there was this movement regulation control, order also.
Okay.
इसमें is the same thing जो अभी आपके पास भी हो रही है कि like you can't go out unnecessarily unless you're going for grocery shopping or something like that. So, and I've read in a lot of like posts के हो सकता है कि पूरा summer ऐसे ही हो हम लोग का, like June, July. So,
Yeah, because right now बाहर आर्मी और पुलिस है जो कि ये चीज़
Oh.
कर कि
Yeah.
कोई ज़्यादा ना निकले या एसेंशियल चीज़ों के लिए ही निकले. It looks like कि extend होगा. I mean हमने पहली extension as far as Malaysia is concerned वो तो देख ली है कि from 31st March to 14th April. हो सकता है क्योंकि numbers नीचे नहीं जा रहे as far as Malaysia is concerned. So I
so
think
even, like we can't even travel within Malaysia.
yeah.
So
So your flights and everything are closed and everything. So but I think positive चीज़ है कि they tried कि ज़्यादा चीज़ें बंद ना हो. as जैसे मैंने बताया अभी भी होम डिलीवरी चल रही है, अभी भी फूड डिलीवरी ये सारी चीज़ें हैं. तो रेस्टोरेंट्स खुले हुए हैं for
even
take-
medicines and all, if you want, you can
वो
order
भी होम
online.
डिलीवर हो जाती हैं. तो रेस्टोरेंट्स खुले हुए हैं फॉर टेक अवे एंड डिलीवरी. तो इस तरह से चीज़ें कंट्रोल में हैं. इट्स नॉट टू बैड. लोग मतलब जहाँ तक मैं देख रहा हूँ लोग फिर ज़्यादा ई कॉमर्स की तरफ आ रहे हैं. Which I think is the only positive thing coming from it. But overall लग रहा है कि I guess ये जून जुलाई तो लगेगा.
Okay, so it's not. It could be worse. It's not great, but it could be worse.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. How about you guys?
So I think with the I don't know. I don't have such a positive outlook on it because every day we're getting like 400, 500 more cases. I guess itne to nahi ho rahe 400, 500, but 300 or something like that cases in Australia. And then once these restrictions, we've given them a week or two, तो फिर पता चलेगा कि अच्छा curve आपका flatten हुआ या नहीं हुआ, and have new cases reduced. But
Right.
I think the day when you have 0 new cases, or the day you have, and the day before that when you had maybe 15 new cases, you still need to wait 14 days after those 15 new cases to let everybody out.
Right.
So it feels like a long game to me, right? जब तक cases नए आ रहे हैं, and even if they're reducing, even if from 500 cases a day we go down to like 100 cases a day, you still need to keep the restrictions in, otherwise you'll go back to the 500 cases a day. It has to be zeroed out. So I feel like it's probably going to be a few months. हो सकता है जो lockdown है वो थोड़ा सा relaxed हो जाए. But overall, I don't know. It's. I think it's going to be a blow to the economy, and we can also. Although you're saying that New Zealand, Australia, में थोड़ा सा relaxed लग रहा है, the businesses here are suffering. People are really, really suffering here already.
And do you think the restrictions are going to get more severe?
Oh, for sure.
For sure, yeah.
We're expecting this pandemic to peak in somewhere in mid-April. So abhi se already people have like lost their jobs. The tourism industry, hospitality industry, a lot of people have lost their job. We work for a retailer, so abhi was considered an essential business up until yesterday, even today. But we're expecting for stores to be shut down very soon. A lot of other retailers have already like shut down. We have like 300 stores, and like you can imagine how many people are going to lose their jobs because they won't be able to stay.
So whilst people are moving to online businesses, they're still not going to be spending a lot because जब consumer sentiment down है, तो spending तो कम होगी, and with that, all of the economy is going to suffer. Not everything can be moved online so quickly. So it's not. Yeah.
This might be early to ask, but has Australia been talking about like an economic bailout package, like some countries have done for people who are,
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, they've
perhaps
already
losing their jobs?
they've already done that.
Yeah.
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 I think it
Okay.
was around $190 billion or something. I don't
Yeah,
remember,
about
but something.
200
Yeah.
billion dollars.
Yeah, they've already increased the Centrelink payments. The large banks have reached out and said they're going to halt mortgage payments for 6 months.
Okay.
Discussions with tenants and renters associations are underway for people who can't pay their rent, what they're going to do. So yes, people, I mean, the good part is like countries like Pakistan and India scare me. What's going to happen over there? यहाँ पे फिर भी लोग survive कर लेंगे.
Okay. Anam, you're the most positive person we know. तुम्हारा क्या outlook है?
I feel like for Jacinda's been very kind of
Oh, our friend Jacinda, the New Zealand
Yeah.
Prime Minister.
yeah.
Okay.
Best friends. No, she's been quite all over this thing. I feel like in New Zealand the case the case increase hasn't been that much because they were very proactive. They shut down the borders quite some time ago. Jahan pe they said that sort of citizen or permanent resident will be allowed into the country. फिर उन्होंने mandatory isolation भी कर दी थी, and if you aren't caught not abiding with that, the government had the autonomy to force you into quarantine. So because of that, we're at, I think, 500 cases at the moment. Bailout packages, they already issued a bailout package for Air New Zealand. And then they've introduced wage subsidies for people who are losing their jobs. Mortgages ka bhi kuch similar scene already look kar chuke hain. So they are trying to they're not discussing it, but they're actively doing things to stabilize the economy. And I think one of the reasons that might be is because the election are supposed to happen in October here. So from that perspective, what she does right now really, really matters. Because Kiwi support, she's very famous internationally, but on a local level, Kiwis are not so satisfied with her. So for her, like, this is a great platform to show her leadership skills and everything. The initial lockdown is for 4 weeks, and then they said they'd revisit. I think beyond that, it might extend to like, maybe till June, they'll probably open up everything here.
4 weeks ending when? Mid-April.
Yeah, mid-April. Yeah.
Achha. Okay. That's it, guys. It was just 3 questions. And I asked for half an hour of your time. Is there anything else you guys want to talk about that we haven't discussed but you think is relevant?
Can we ask you a question?
Yeah, sure.
Yep.
It's not an interview, brother. It's not going to be.
मैं जरा recording बंद कर दूं मैं
I
जरा.
have two of my own. What's the culture like over there? I just wanted to ask you because in Europe the whole situation is far more advanced than it is here. वहाँ पे lockdown का कोई फायदा हुआ है so far? Like, have you guys started noticing effects?
The problem with the lockdown is the lockdown was first done in China, where all this started. उधर चक्कर क्या हुआ था कि the most number of cases that occurred happened after the lockdown, which is just a matter of how a lockdown functions. Because if there's an infected person and now he's not going anywhere, तो उसका पूरा घर तो infect होगा, which means the cases will go up. But the positive of that is that they won't spread it to like their neighbors or their co-workers or something जिनके घर पे कोई infected नहीं है because they're just not exposed. तो हमारे यहाँ lockdown चल रहा है and the cases are still rising and they will continue to rise. Italy or Spain में भी बढ़े जा रहे हैं. After उनके तो lockdowns बहुत severe हैं. I know people, we have colleagues in the Czech Republic और उनके यहाँ तो यही है कि you cannot go out unless it's a hospital or a grocery or something. Visit, and if you are going to be on the street, you need to have a mask on 100%, वरना आपको फौज या पुलिस जो है वो घर भेज देगी. एंड वो उसमें हालात ऐसे हुए थे कि लोग कह रहे हैं वी नीड टू गेट ग्रोसरीज बट वी डोंट हैव अ मास्क, तो अब क्या करें. एंड मास्क मिल भी नहीं रहा. सो इट्स नॉट दैट सिवियर हियर एज ऑफ येट. Obviously Europeans, I'm sure it's similar to Australia and New Zealand, they it's hard to keep them inside when the sun is out. तो पिछले 1-2 दिनों में it's been a problem, I think, which is why the severe restrictions have come in place, क्योंकि पिछले 1 दिनों से धूप निकली हुई थी तो पार्क्स फुल थे और बीचेस फुल थी एंड पुलिस वाज लाइक हम कितने लोगों को घर भेजें. तो या अब ये हो गया कि there is a big supermarket below our house, so you see कि उनके बाहर there's a line, they're letting a limited number of people in at a time, इस तरह की बातें. So the cases are going up. Ireland की population is about the same as New Zealand, I think about 5 million. And we're at, I think, 15-ish hundred cases. So yeah, it's going to increase. I think lockdown का purpose ये है कि they don't think they can really stop the increase. They just want to slow down the new cases. वही curve flatten करने वाली बात है, so that the hospitals can have people in up to capacity, फिर उनको निकालें, then the new batch comes in instead of, having 300% patients. So yeah, it's not going to. सबसे bad scene तो obviously Italy, Spain वगैरह में चल रहा है. But yeah, anything else?
How's the toilet paper situation in your countries? Because I went to the supermarket today and surprisingly it was very well stocked.
Yeah. The panic buying situation was stupid because there was no supply chain issue. But there's, I don't know, people just don't know how to behave. And initially, हमारे यहाँ भी the bread shelves, Irish people, जब भी कोई मसला आता है तो सारा bread खत्म हो जाता है and then all the dairy goes away and they don't buy anything else. But now everything's fine because there was no supply chain problem at the start. तो सबने खरीद ली चीजें, 4 दिन बाद वापस आ गई. Yeah, it's fine. There's no panic buying here now. शुरू में थी, but अब हाँ ये है कि the desi store here said कि because international travel is not happening, so they have a few desi things like dal वगैरह ये वो, which are packaged and they come from like the UK or they come from Germany. They're like जब वो खत्म हो जाएंगी तो we don't know when they're gonna come back.
Better stock up on dal.
Yeah. If there's something that you buy that is definitely not produced in the country you live in, तो I guess वो रख लो थोड़ी सी, because yeah, it is looking like महीनों का हिसाब तो होगा. Anything else?
All right.
Good.
Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. Great. Well, thanks for coming. I'm going to stop recording now, and we're not sure still what format this is going to go out in. This is, I think, the 5th session I've done. So initially, I was thinking it might be one video per location, but it might just be one combined video with everyone because people usually are saying similar things. So it might work out like that. But yeah, thanks everyone. Thanks for coming. If this is just an individual video, then thanks for watching. And that's it. I'm going to stop recording now. ठीक है जी. Thank you very much.
All right.
Hafiz.